Hello, in front of me I've got Philips TAH. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, take a look at the power button. Press and hold it for 3 seconds to turn headphones on and off. Now, press it once to play pause music. To change volume, slide through headphones, like this. Here is the touch control panel. For next song, push the power button downwards. For previous song, push it upwards. To answer and calls, press power button once. To decline call, press it twice. To answer second call, press once. To decline second call, press twice. To stop current call, press power button once. To switch between two calls, press it twice. To enable or disable ANC, tap once on touch control panel. To activate voice assistant, tap and hold for 2 seconds. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.